Example 3, given that the antiderivative of this f of x, given the limits 2 and 5 is equal to 12, evaluate all of the other things here. So this one is a really interesting question. This often crops up in exams, both at year 11 and at year 12. And a lot of students panic because they go, oh no, I haven't been given the original equation. Well, you don't have to. You have to use the logic of it. So let's start with A, shall we? So what's the difference between A and the original equation? So there's my original equation. The only difference is that the 5 and the 2 and the 2 and the 5 have been swapped around. So given my previous example, we know exactly what happens. When you flip the terminals over, you just get a negative answer. So therefore for this one, it will be negative 12. For B, it says 5, 2, 3 f of x. Oh, well now this one's a little bit challenging, except for the fact that we know what happens or what we can do with antiderivatives. We can put that 3 on the outside. And suddenly this just becomes a regular ordinary multiplication. Excellent. Now we can get some more challenging ones with C. So we've got a 4 and a 2 and a 5 and a 4. So this one, how do we do this? So this might help if we actually, again, broke it up into little bits and pieces. So I know this is 4 and 2 f of x dx plus 4 over 2 4 dx. Now that one I can definitely do. Plus 5 over 4 f of x dx. And that's it. So this is rather joyful here. We've got 2 and a 4, and we've got a 4 and a 5. Well, what if I was to combine this and this together? Well, guess what? Going from the from the lower limit of 2 to 4, and then going from 4 to 5, well, that's, by Jiminy, that's going to be the same as saying from 2 to 5. Plus, the only one we have to really work out is this 4 and 2 with 4 here. So that's essentially just going to be 4x from 4 to 2. So we know this is going to be equal to 12 plus, and we just need to do a substitution here. And there is our final answer. So look for the original question in these other questions, rearrange it slightly, and you'll be able to solve it.